Welcome back to my channel. Today it's not nails, it's a little mix of everything, mostly cute car goodies. I'm giving my car a little makeover, so I ordered lots of fun things for it. But I also grabbed some cozy cute home outfits, because the season's changing and we need something comfy and adorable to wear indoors. I found this little skirt, so cute. It's knitted, pleated, in a soft beige color, and it just looks super cozy and comfy. I already ordered it in other colors too. I'll show you in my next haul. The waistband is soft and stretchy, and the design is just adorable. Pair it with a sweatshirt, a cozy cardigan, and cute slippers. And you've got the perfect at-home outfit to feel comfy and pretty. Can't wait to wear it. It's just so soft. That was the first item. Now let's check out the next one. Next up, slippers. And not just any slippers. These totally give designer vibes. They're super soft, all fluffy inside, and they even have this cute little metallic detail on top. I mean, look how squishy they are. You can style them in so many ways. And yes, they even match the skirt I showed you earlier. Cozy and chic at the same time. Next up is this cute little tree, which I got to put on my car dashboard. I'll stick it on with a double-sided tape, and it's going to be super, super cute. I'm going to change the color of my dashboard, so from black it will become a lovely beige, and it will match perfectly with the romantic style I want. The next product I'm going to show you is these buttons that you can use to make your car's ceiling tufted in case it's sagging over the years. My own ceiling, as you'll see at the end of the video, has come loose and definitely needs a refresh. To do an affordable update right now, I found these buttons. There are 50 in total, and I'll place them on. And just like that, my car's ceiling will look much tighter. Here I'm trying to figure out exactly how to place them. I found the perfect way, so now I'm ready to put them on. Let's check out the last two products, which I'm super excited about. The first one is these blue reflective lights that go on the wheels, and as they spin, they create this reflection, as you can see in the photo. I didn't notice at first that they have a skull design on the front, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. I would have preferred them a bit cuter and sweeter. Next up is the steering wheel. I was really looking forward to this one because it looked amazing in the picture. And unfortunately, there weren't any reviews to see if someone who bought it was happy. As you can see, it's super soft and the design has beautiful gold details. It comes with this knitted cover on both sides, left and right. At the end of the video, I'll try the steering wheel on my car to see how it looks. Definitely something I don't regret buying. I'll add the discount code I have so you can get a discount if you want to buy anything from Temu, along with the link to go directly and grab the discount. Let's install the buttons and the steering wheel. I'm going to open the buttons and screws here. I also got a screwdriver so I can screw them in. They go on super, super easy. But first, let's put on the steering wheel. Let's see. It's going to look nice. As you can see, my car desperately needs a refresh. The gray color doesn't suit me at all, so I've ordered seat covers, mats, everything. It's getting a makeover. The whole dashboard will become beige, and honestly, I have so much to show you. I'm so excited to see the final result. But first, let's put on the steering wheel. I'm just admiring how chic the hour looks. As it looks now, it doesn't seem super chic. Of course, once everything else is in, the final result will come together perfectly. Let's take a look at the buttons we'll use to tuft the car's ceiling. I haven't placed them all yet because I wanted to measure and put them exactly as they should be, neatly in a row, one next to the other. I also wanted to see if any might come loose. So right now, we're doing a test, and we'll see the complete result once my car's transformation is finished. As you can see, the ceiling is wrinkled and needs cleaning. So please don't leave any mean comments about that. I know my car is in rough shape right now, which is why I'm doing this makeover. That's everything I had to show you. I hope you found this video helpful. We'll see each other in the next video with a new tutorial. And when all the car makeover items arrive, we'll do a new haul with the rest of the things for the final result, along with a before and after of my car. Watch out for the bumps.